Let's make a hydrating gel serum. This formula is extra hydrating and it is suitable for normal to a slightly dry skin. The ingredients are glycerin, xanthan gum clear, lavender hydrosol, pentanol, sodium PCA, and liquid Dermal Plus as preservative. First, mix xanthan gum with glycerin. This is to eliminate the occurrence of fish eye to the xanthan gum. Mix well and ensure that there is no clump. Next, add sodium PCA and pentanol into the lavender hydrosol and mix well. Do you know that sodium PCA performs better than glycerin in terms of hydration? You can use a whisk or a mini mixer instead of spatula to mix. Then, pour the hydrosol mixture into the xanthan gum glycerin mixture. Stir until the gum is fully hydrated. Finally, add the preservative. To check the pH, use either the pH strips or the pH meter. The pH shows that it is around 4.3. Use the arginine 10% solution to increase the pH level. It is highly recommended that you use the pH meter for accuracy. If you are using the pH strips, ensure that it is non-bleeding type. If you use a strip that bleeds, never dip it into the mixture. Then check the pH again. Repeat this process until you reach your desired pH. Now it is time to pour your hydrating gel serum into a suitable container. This is a minimalist formula and requires no advanced tools, suitable for beginners. Subscribe and give us a like. More tutorial and free formula coming up.